In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment option to your eBay account. And this process is fairly straightforward, but having clear guidance ensures you get things right the first time and can start shopping with more payment flexibility. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open up your web browser and head over to eBay's main site. Once the site loads, you'll want to direct your attention to the My eBay section. This can usually be found in the top corner of the screen once you've logged in, so make sure you're signed into your account. From there, look for the option labeled Purchase History. Clicking here will provide you with a detailed list of all your past purchases and transactions, which is useful contextually as it shows your shopping history and could remind you of the transactions you need to maintain or set up payment options for. Next, after you've clicked on Purchase History, you'll see some additional tabs. One of them should be labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage your personal information and account settings, so it's the starting point for most configurations, including payment options. Within the Account section, look for an option named Payments. This is your hub for managing all things financial on your eBay account, from linking credit cards to configuring how you prefer to pay for future purchases. Clicking on Payments will take you into your Payments dashboard. Now you're ready to add a new payment method. You'll see an option labeled Add Cards and Accounts. Clicking on this will allow you to link new credit or debit cards along with alternative payment accounts like PayPal if that's your preference. Once you click it, you'll be prompted with a series of instructions to enter your card or account details. Be sure to have your card information or PayPal login ready to make this process as smooth as possible. Moving forward, select the Checkout option. This ensures that your new payment method is properly integrated and set up for when you make purchases. It's an important step as it configures your payment flow correctly. After clicking Checkout, look for the Continue button. Pressing this will confirm your selections and move you toward finalizing the setup. Next, you'll need to add PayPal as an option, if that's what you're using. Simply click on the PayPal button. You might be prompted to log into your PayPal account to complete the linking process. Finally, after you've reviewed everything, click on Continue once more to complete the setup. Your new payment method is now added to your eBay account, making your shopping experience more flexible and adapting the setup to your financial preferences. By the end of these steps, you should successfully have a new payment method added to your eBay account. That's it. You're ready to make purchases with greater ease and convenience. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping on eBay.